What's up, everybody? My name is Vincent with Vancouver Express Real Estate Group. I know it's not Quick Tip Tuesday, but this actually has been on my mind that I really want to share with buyers in general. It's because this is an ongoing conversation with buyers that I've been working with, new buyers, especially new buyers coming in, telling them the expectation and just educating them. So I'll get straight to the point. Are real estate prices even real these days? And as you know, the market is incredibly hot and prices are just going way over asking. So the simple question is, the prices that you see, especially single family homes, are most likely not real. And when I say not real, it means it means a few things. Actually, it doesn't mean necessarily the property is going to go over asking, but sometimes because it's listed too high, overpriced, and they want to talk it down. We're still seeing some of those, but we're also seeing some prices that are underpriced, where they're drawing a lot of attention. And you know, this is when you see the 20, 40, 50, 60 offers on that property. And also there's ones that are of course priced correctly, but of course there's just a ton of buyers out there looking for that one property, or that property shows really well. Then of course it'll go multiple offers and it goes over asking. What I'm trying to say is, if you're a new buyer coming in, or if you're buying, upgrading from a townhome, condo to a single family home, just to know that, you know, the single family home market is extremely hot right now. So what you see, if it's too good to be true, then it's really too good to be true. And I'm also touching on townhomes as well, and condos for some of it. I feel like it's picking up. What my advice is, if you're a buyer out there, just consult with your realtor, ask them, you know, talk about each property, asking them basically, is the price reasonably well, and how many, you know, what are the most recent comps. And when I say recent comps, we're not talking months back, we're talking about really recent. Anything that's sold within the last 2 to 3 weeks are the ones that generally where your guideline is. That's supposed to be market in December, November. It's essentially, you cannot even use those numbers at that point. Listing price right now is really not something that you can just go in and think that you can get that property at that amount. Some properties you still can, but generally what I'm talking about in the single family market, generally not, is you probably have to go something over, or if it's price high, then you can have to negotiate down. That, you know, make sure you're not overpaying, paying by full ass too. So that's it all for today. Hopefully that has added some value to you as a buyer. Just kind of want to set up the expectation that, you know, coming into this market, it's a bit of a wild west, but with proper guidance, with a proper realtor that you're working with, it should make this process very smooth and quickly to understand what the market's all about. But in other words is, I just want to warn you guys, there are properties I've seen the last 2-3 weeks that the realtor has the realtor or seller has come up with a price to list a property that might seem good or underpriced, and people are coming in, you know, with pre-inspection, and at the end multiple offer happens, and they completely don't take any of the offers. It's because they want something that's a crazy number. I have starting to see this in the last 2 weeks, and this is multiple properties. One example is one property they did 4 pre-inspection, and at the end they didn't take any of the offers. And for me, it's frustrating for us realtors and for the buyers is, you do so much prep work getting the clients ready, you know, and the buyers are like, hey, I want to put all my ducks in a row, getting the pre-inspection done, maybe getting the bank draft, doing our due diligence to go in subject free, to have a strong offer to buy that home that they want. And at the end of the day, knowing the fact that going in, they weren't even able to get it from the first place, unless they pay some ridiculous amount. So just warning you guys, there are properties like that. So again, ask your realtor, ask those questions to the listing realtor. I think you can be really upfront with them, from realtor to realtor, to see, you know, where the seller is and where the position is. So anyways, that's it for today. Hopefully that's added value to you. Again, my name is Vincent with Vancouver Express Real Estate Group, and I'll see you guys in the next video.